When we analyze the financial statements, especially the income statement, that is statement of profit and loss, our focus will go towards the top line, that is revenue from operations. So what do we mean by this? Revenue from operations is nothing but the sum total of sales which that entity has made out of its manufacturing activity or trading activity or any other activity. This is very important because this is only going to generate resources for that entity so that they can meet their expenses, obligations, expenditures, everything. And this revenue from operations can be divided into two categories. One is core operating revenue and the other one is other operating revenue. Core operating revenue is the revenue which that entity is making because of their principal core activity. That is, it is for that activity that entity is set up. Whereas other operating revenue or the revenue which are generated as a result of their business processes. And this understanding is very important. This bifurcation is very important because we have to understand how much of the revenue is coming from core and non-core activities. And if you wish to learn more like this, I invite you to attend our one-day workshop on banking credit analysis process.